Freddie Mac predicts home prices will rise 6.6% in 2021 and leveling off to 4.4% in 2022, which is closer to the historical appreciation rates. As renters convert to first-time homebuyers migrating from dense urban areas to suburban areas, the inventory shortage may continue in our area. It's Friday, April 23rd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Millennials now outnumber baby boomers, and millennials are at the home buying age. Many are also savvy enough to realize that owning a home is a smarter financial decision than renting. So, how does our area look for those out searching to buy? 1,836 are newly active, reflecting a negligible increase in inventory. 1,422 are coming soon. 843 homes went under contract, a 10% gain from last week. 1,428 remain temporarily off the market, and this is up. 1,798 moved to pending. 1,840 homes settled last week, up 32%. The highest price home to sell this past week was this Bradley Hills Grove home in Bethesda for $5,500,000. How's the rental market? Well, we're also seeing a lot of home sellers moving into the area to rent following their home sale, and a lot of landlords are divesting of their rental properties, displacing existing tenants. Some have been in place for as long as 16 years. This is putting pressure on the limited rental inventory currently available, 1,240 units completely throughout the entire state. If you are thinking about buying or selling, or you're just sitting on the fence, be sure to get our free home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below somewhere or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on the link Guide in the navigation bar. That's your snapshot of the Maryland real estate market for Friday, April 23rd, 2021. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. You may also catch our market updates on your favorite podcast service or on the Google or Alexa devices. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make it a great weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.